Alright, second half of the last weekend of June, and it's the final day of June. June 30th, 2024, CN Hayes here, 1911, coming to you from West Ladysmith along the Canadian Nationals Barrens Main at milepost 128.8 with a video lined up for you this evening. We just have the arrival of the inbound sand empty of the S772 51 of the 22nd that has showed up. And as you have seen, doing the honors, there was a couple of EMDs, second and third, and leading it was the Tier 4 Credit ES44AC 2994 to lead it, with SD70M-2s 8893 and 8903 second and third. How about that? And this started from Grand Prairie, Alberta, Canada, and this will head inbound for Source Energy Services of Weyerhaeuser. Let's check it on the rest of the roll-by as it will accelerate away from West Ladysmith. As we'll lean back and get them. Here we go. CN 2994. The S772 51 of the 22nd. Also late this afternoon, we had the roll-by of the 8898, sporting the IPO 25th anniversary logo. I'm not sure what she was on, but glad to know that it made another return since I've last seen that on 772 and 773 just before the summer months began. Last of us 772 should be coming. I think after they drop those empties off at Source Energy Services of Weyerhaeuser, the 8903 will lead the power move back to Ladysmith to finish the assignment for this evening. Current time now is 19:15. And the 772 is showing departing Ladysmith at this time. So they're now at milepost 127. And they will have authority on the variance of Main from milepost 126 to milepost 110. With box 6 SIX marked. Accelerating nicely here. And there's the last of it, and that one was from SEJX. Not bad at all. So that'll do it for the S772, 51 of the 22nd, and we'll do it for the 2994, 8893, and the 8903. And we'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith, near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great evening. I'll see you next time. I hope I'll see you down the main line. CN Hayes out.